Dear students, how are you? So today, very short question of Unit 3 for board preparation. First question, write down the expression for Lorentz force. Actually, Lorentz force is the combined force due to electric field and magnetic field. So that is F is equal to Q vector E plus vector V cross B. This is the expression for what? Lorentz force. Write the Biot-Savart law in vector form. Biot-Savart was the scientist who first time told on what factor the magnetic field due to the current carrying conductor depends. What is the formula for it? Vector dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl cross r upon r की power 3. Mu naught is the absolute permeability in the vacuum. Third, is there a force exerted by a magnetic field in a stationary charge? Sir, we know the force formula in a magnetic field is F is equal to QVB sin theta. Here charge is stationary. For stationary charge, velocity is 0. Charge is at rest. So what is force? F is equal to Q B sin theta, that is 0. Means no force. Question 4. Name the quantity which is measured in Weber per ampere meter. That is mu naught. Absolute permeability. इसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है? 4 pi into 10 की पावर -7 Weber per ampere meter. Question number 5. What is the resistance of an ideal ammeter and voltmeter? For ammeter, ideal ammeter, resistance is 0. Means minimum resistance. A minimum resistance is 0. Or for voltmeter, resistance is infinite. An ammeter is formed by keeping a very low resistance shunt in the parallel of the galvanometer. So ammeter is formed, and when we form voltmeter, we just use a very high resistance in the series of the galvanometer. Due to its least value of resistance, the ammeter is always connected in the series of the circuit, and due to its very high resistance, it is always connected in the parallel of the circuit, otherwise the current gets affected. Question 6. Write the relation between the MKS and CGS unit of the magnetic field intensity. Sir, I am telling you all the possible units. 1 Tesla, MKS unit, 1 Newton per ampere meter, 1 Weber per meter square is equal to 10 to the power 4 watts. What is the nature of the magnetic field in the moving coil galvanometer? Sir, moving coil galvanometer is a device which is only telling the presence of current in the circuit. Current is present or not present. And in moving coil galvanometer, we are using concave shaped magnet, and in between this concave shape of magnet, the magnetic field is uniform. What magnetic field is formed in it? Uniform magnetic field, known as, what we given the name to it? Radial magnetic field. Radial magnetic. The last question for today, that is unipole possible for a magnet? Sir, a magnet having two poles, north pole, south pole. If we cut it, last atom is left, na? Even an atom is acting like a magnet because the electron is revolving around the nucleus. So, it is not possible. Not possible. The pole always in pair. One north pole, one south pole, that is always in pair. No unipole is possible. next video for unit 4th.